Hello and welcome to Manshuk Tales, where we break down complex tech concepts into simple, easy to understand lessons. Today, we are diving into one of the fundamental topics for anyone starting with Java programming, that is understanding JDK, JRE and JVM. First up, the JDK or Java Development Kit. This is what you as a developer use to write and compile your Java code. Think of it as a toolbox. It contains everything you need, like a compiler, libraries, and other tools to build your Java application. In one word, it is a toolbox. Now that you know that the JDK is, let's look at how it fits into the bigger picture of Java architecture. When we start working on our Java applications, the first thing we do is to install JDK. It is a software that comes with Java compiler and a JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. The JRE in turn has a JVM and it comes with a set of API or libraries that are ready to use. The JVM uses just-in-time compiler to do its work efficiently. The Java compiler that comes with the JDK converts the source code we write into a special format called bytecode. If you have worked with C or C++, you know that a compiler converts the source code into a machine-understandable code or machine code that can be directly understood with the underlying operating system. In case of Windows, it's a .exe, and in case of Mac, it's a .dmg file. But in case of Java, the compiler converts the source code into an intermediate code called bytecode. In one word, it is a translator. For a program to run, it needs an environment. JRE, which stands for Java Runtime Environment, provides that environment for a Java compiled code or bytecode to run. In C and C++, it was the underlying operating system. In case of Java, it is a JRE, which is like a virtual or duplicate operating system, which in turn interprets the bytecode for the underlying operating system. There is an advantage of this additional step. It makes Java platform independent. In one word, it's a workspace. Inside the JRE, you will find the JVM or Java Virtual Machine. This is where all the magic happens. The JVM takes the bytecode your Java program compiles into and translates it into machine code specific to your system. The JVM reads the bytecode generated by the Java compiler and translates into a machine code that the underlying operating system and hardware can execute. The just-in-time or JIT compiler, to enhance performance, makes execution faster by avoiding repetitive interpretation. So in one word, it's an executor. API. The API stands for Application Programming Interface. It is a collection of pre-built functions and libraries provided by Java to specify programming tasks. For example, the Java I/O library allows us to read from and write to files effortlessly. With APIs, programmers don't need to write low-level code. Instead, they can focus on solving problems using these ready-to-use libraries. So in one word, APIs are helpers. And that wraps up our introduction to JDK, JRE and JVM. Hope this video helped you understand these underlying concepts. Make sure to check out our next video where we will simplify object-oriented features of Java. Stay tuned. Bye bye.